My video guide is about removing the online scam and fake alerts that come from the website Jerenga.click. Jerenga.click is a dangerous site which attacks Google, Chrome and other browsers. It says that your security subscription has expired. It claims to be related to some well-known security program, but it is not related to that program. Instead, there are some online criminals who stand behind these pop-ups, and their mission is to force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. Therefore, you shouldn't interact with these pop-ups. Jerenga.click, they are absolutely fake. In fact, all these pop-ups by Jerenga.click may be the trace of some adware to be enabled in your system. Of course, you could first of all check the control panel of your device and uninstall any items which might be suspicious. So if you find some suspicious programs, don't hesitate to get rid of them. Finally, I recommend you to research the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.